Okay, something that a lot of people never think a lot about in terms of our clothing. I know, and I think it's because of the way we've marketed today. It is gadget clothing, but the travel benefits are off the charts, and no other travel clothing company or clothing company at all, or any large or small, can provide everything that we do in terms of the security of these pockets and the placement of the pockets, so that when you're traveling, you can put your stuff away and not constantly patting yourself down, wondering where your stuff is, because you know it's in a secure pocket exactly where you remember to put it. It's hilarious, because when I go on these trips all over the world and I try and recall what inspired me to first make the Scotty vest, it was that very experience that constantly is, my fanny pack is here, is it there? And it makes traveling very aggravating. And by coming up with this full and complete line of clothing that each item, one way or another, will have a secure pocket in a fashion that will allow you to go out and enjoy whatever you're doing during that day. There's such a huge industry built on scaring travelers and trying to convince them how often that people get pickpocketed here and there, and that is by far true, but it's so easily prevented. Just buy clothing that has a smart pocket to prevent pickpocketing, and offers a $1,000 guarantee to stand behind it as well. No other company would ever do that unless they knew that their pockets were virtually pickpocket proof. I'm just saying. I'm Scott Jordan, CEO and founder of Scotty Vest, and I am out of here.